Alright guys, this is a trading recap on how I blew all my funded accounts, as you can see uh, right here. Um so let's get straight into it, I guess. This trade was yesterday, 8th of August, New York. We had London consolidation and New York manipulation slash reversal, as you can see here. 1 minute. Alright, so on the 1 minute, on the 1 minute, this was manipulation. We hit London highs straight off the bat when New York session opened, and then we came down, tested this imbalance. I think this was our 1 hour fair value gap, and then we came here, went higher. We had a liquidity sweep on the 5 minute, boom, liquidity sweep. I'm looking back on the equilibrium on the 50%, waiting for price to retrace that. Anyways, we had an inverse fair value gap which got tested, so that was another confluence. Then we came down, swept this 1 hour fair value gap, and then on the 1 minute, I entered off on the 1 minute. After we came down, we came down on the 50%. I thought price may retrace, but I just entered off a break of structure over here, that candle. So we tapped back on that. We tapped back on our 5 minute fair value gap, which is this one over here. And then I entered after we got tapped in. After the break of structure, once I saw this candle closure, and I was aiming for Asian highs. That would have been my first take profit, or I could have extended it and went to Asian lows, which it did. Price was correct, but then I got stopped out over here. This candle, man, how unlucky, this little retracement. I should have put my stop loss up here, but the thing is, I was already in drawdown. So basically, yeah, look at this. I'm being over trading, over risking on 50k accounts. What am I doing, man? Look, we go on the performance status. Only took 2 trades on these accounts. Lost it because I'm over trading. So next time when I trade on the when I'm gonna buy 150k evals, so I got more room to trade. I feel like that's better, but yeah, it's just truly unlucky. I take full responsibility. Should have been risking that much. If I risked less, I could have had my stop loss above this fair value gap. You know what I mean? So it's technically my fault. It is my fault. I'll take full responsibility. But yeah, but lately it's just been tough because I've had back-to-back losses. So I'm not trading logical. I'm trading emotionally, and like I've had funded accounts blown. My confidence is not there anymore. Like my mental capital is like drains. I won't lie. This losing streak has humbled me a lot, but it hasn't broken me. That's why I feel like stepping back for a week. No charts, no trades, just space. Like at least I have time to clear my head and reset my emotions and come back with purpose. And guys, this is not quitting. I'm not quitting. I'm just taking a break off the charts. This is discipline, because most traders don't fail because they lose. They fail because they quit. They give up when it gets hard, like these type of days. I went on I think this is a 9th losing streak, back to back blown funded accounts, money drains, and that's when they give up. They give up when it gets hard. They walk away for good. They let their setbacks define them. but not me. I'm still hungry. I'm still learning. I'm still growing. This is all just still a learning curve for me. Losses are part of the process. You guys gotta always remember that. Breaks are part of the journey. I know this. No real progress happens without clarity, and no clarity comes when your mind is overwhelmed. So I'm taking that break, not out of weakness, but out of strength. I'll be back, guys. I'm gonna be refreshed, refocused, recentered, because the only way you fail in this game if you stop showing up. And I'm not done yet, and I feel like taking this break will help me a lot mentally. I'll be trading with logic, not my emotions. And that's what I've been doing. That's why I've been over risking because I'm trying to get this process fast. But I've got to remember this is a long term thing. It's not short term, it's a long term thing. Uh, that's what I've got to remember and keep on working towards that. Anyways, that was a trading recap. So I'm not going to be uploading for a while now. So see how it goes. So thank you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one, I guess. See ya.